Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swell Hub. I hope you all are having an amazing day. It's been a while since I made my last YouTube video, and that's because Bitcoin was trading within our bullish and bearish pivot point, so there was no reason uh, to even make an analysis on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it, because it remained within that uncertainty territory. Looking at the market now, nothing has changed. We are still in that uncertain territory. However, what's different now is that our forecast that I updated you guys with in the Discord will be changed right now. So what's that updated forecast? So let's find out. Bitcoin, as we mentioned in the Discord, all the way down from 19,000. I was anticipating some kind of pump to the upside, and that's exactly what we got with this Y wave on the Bitcoin pair. What's next? And this is what I expect, whether from here at 23.6 or later at 23.7, wherever the algorithm decides to top up, I expect a further dump to the downside. Alright, this is not going to be an overnight dump. This is more likely going to be similar to what we've seen during this rally. We're about to come back down. Cool. And down we go for our bearish targets. So by no means am I bullish on the Bitcoin pair until our bullish pivot points get triggered, which I completely forgot, and I have no access to the Discord right now, of course, because I have no Wi-Fi or cellular data, that is. However, I'll give you those bullish and bearish pivot points. You guys should know, unless those bullish or unless that bullish pivot point gets triggered and it holds above nicely for days, and we get that monthly close above that, then we go ahead and flip bullish. As of now, we're below it. Therefore, this is my scenario right now. The market overall these past couple of months and almost a year now has been bearish. Alright, so we're not here trying to pick out the bottom. Where's that bottom going to be? Nope, we're not doing that because I don't believe the bottom is in just yet. Unless if these pivots tell us otherwise, then we go ahead and play accordingly. So this is what I have for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and move on to Litecoin. Litecoin, as we anticipated, we got that B wave bottom. And just like we mentioned in the Discord, I expect a further rally to the upside, and that's exactly what we got. Right now, we're currently backtesting that 1.618 area. There is a possibility we go up towards that 186 at around $60. Whether it does or doesn't is not my concern right now, because overall our main focus is on Bitcoin, that is. Alright, afterwards I expect a massive dump to the downside, that is. Keep in mind, I prefer that we get rejected and we remain getting rejected at this $58 level. That way it gives us a nice bullish harmonic formation. Alright, which could have another bottom at $43 if it holds, or as we mentioned multiple times, at our major support line at $30. This is where I flip bullish, place some long positions at this $30 level. Cool. So that's Bitcoin, or my bad, that's Litecoin. Technical analysis. Again, this is nowhere to be buying, longing, trading. Just wait until we get that confirmation. I don't know how else to emphasize this. This is not a trading market right now. If you're trying to gamble with a 50-50 scenario, doesn't matter what coin it is, you're basically gambling. I don't care if Ethereum went up 18%, I don't care if Bitcoin's up 15%, and I don't care if altcoins are pumping. If you're entering the market, you're gambling because it's a 50-50 scenario right now. That's something I want you all to understand. is that Bitcoin is in a 50-50 scenario. Therefore, the whole entire market is in a 50-50 scenario. Um, Therefore, you stand aside in your US money, in your Euro money, whatever you might be holding, until we get that golden opportunity. That's where we hop back into the market. All right, this is how it works. Patience is key right now. We're not making many gains on crypto compared to Forex, that is. That's absolutely fine. Because once the market bottoms out, you're going to be dreaming. It's going to feel like you're living in a dream with the gains that are yet to be made. And I'm not saying this to hype you guys up, to cause any euphoria, um, getting you to jump all in later when the bottom's in. Nope, this is solid TA. This is solid knowledge, fundamentals. Whenever the market bottoms out, you guys know how crazy crypto tends to be with the gains. It's not going to be your typical 5%, 10%, 20%. It's going to be fucking massive, guys. Alright, so that's what the bottom is in. And I promise you guys, uh, when the day comes, I'll keep you posted. That way we tackle the market the way we are supposed to. Not like your average Rakishan Joe, your Twitter freaking influencers out there calling for the bottom um, when we get 5% pumps, and then calling for a massive bear market when we're 5% down. Everything that I've been showing you guys on this channel, you should know, is solid TA, solid analysis that's been backed by science, mathematics, you name it. Let's go ahead and hop onto Ethereum. Ethereum, just like we anticipated, I wasn't expecting Ethereum to go up this high. I was more of a bit lenient with my target at the 1.618 on the local at 1466. However, it seems like it wanted to trigger the local as well as our bigger boy time frame at 1620. There is a possibility we go up towards a 186, which I don't really prefer. However, if we do, that's just Ethereum setting up for a bigger dump. There's currently no back retest of 1300, so we'll see how this level plays out. Of course, since the market overall is bearish, I expect Ethereum to just completely slaughter this $1,300 mark. I might be wrong, and we might hold above as a support, and if that does happen, then we just hop onto the market. Nobody's a loser. I'm not a loser because I'm gonna hop back on. Alright. However, just from the way I see Bitcoin playing out, um, and such massive pump, I wouldn't be surprised if we go for a sideways distribution for a couple of hours and just slaughter through that like no tomorrow. Because my next target for Ethereum will be at, give or take, 600 to 400. And from there, we'll see what happens. Of course, as I mentioned, my big indicator or a big 100% confirmation signal will be where Bitcoin decides to go. Is it going to break above our bullish pivot point, or is it going to break below our bearish pivot point? So that's yet to happen. This is where we wait and play accordingly. However, the reason I'm all bearish right now, for those wondering, is because the market has been bearish for a long time now. Bearish patterns are playing out, and of course, there's multiple harmonics, Elliott waves, all that indicate to me that there's going to be another market slaughter. Unless otherwise that doesn't play out and break above our bullish pivot point, then I go ahead and let you guys know. So I hope you guys got something out of this. Something I want to say before I end off this video: Forex. I haven't been able to make a Forex introduction of how you get started into Forex. Depending, I'm just gonna give you a brief update for those that are in hurry. So here's one thing I want to mention before I end off this video. A lot of people have been asking me how do I get started in Forex, and as I promised, I'm going to be making a YouTube video. However, with all the stuff that I have going on, trust me, it's a bit difficult. And I'll be honest with you, like for example, I have no Wi-Fi right now. I wish I did. I'd show you. So for that reason, in case that video gets extended, I'm just going to give you a quick introduction, tell you how you can go ahead and sign up and start trading for those that are in hurry. So you're going to need two platforms or two apps. That is, your first one is going to be your broker. This is all varies from country to country. In Canada, where I am, there's certain brokers that don't work in the US, might not work in France, might not work in freaking Dubai. So make sure you, depending on where you live, go ahead and search up your country slash available and legal brokers that you can use. After signing up, make sure you deposit your money. Some brokers, like the broker that I use in Canada called FX Choice, they accept crypto. So I transferred some of my crypto funds, depending whether you want to plan on doing that or not. I transferred some of my crypto funds into this broker and cashed it out in USD money. All right, I saved up on fees. It was like 5 or 10%. With crypto, it was 0% fees. So that's a plus for me. So anyways, sign up for your broker, deposit money, do whatever you got to do. And then the second app that you'll need is called MetaTrader. So there's MetaTrader 4, there's MetaTrader 5. Again, I wish I can go on my laptop and show you. Once you get whatever app, personally, I like to trade on MetaTrader 4. I find it much more easier for me, user friendly. However, this is all personal preference. And then what you will do is you're gonna go ahead and link your broker account to your MetaTrader, and that's it. All right, after that's linked, you're gonna go ahead and you can add whatever forex pairs. You can even trade crypto. You can go ahead and trade indices, stocks, you name it. So that's pretty cool. Another thing with forex, the gains that we're making, I know it's not even a fraction of a penny in the Discord, that is. However, I mean, some trades might be like give or take 0.3% gain. But the cool thing about Forex is the leverage they have available. So my account is set up on 33 times leverage. So for example, if we make 0.3% gain, that's 1% gain on your account. I'll take that any day. All right. So don't go with high leverage like 100. Some brokers might offer 500 leverage. Some might even offer 1,000, which I heard but I haven't seen. Personally, I'm gonna keep mine at 33. That's if you wish to use leverage. You can choose whatever you wish. So that's up to you to decide. So in the meantime, while crypto does its thing, does its jiggity diggity, we're gonna go ahead and trade Forex. Of course, if I have any updates on the crypto market, any trade setups, I'll keep you guys posted. Just to give you an idea of Forex, I decided to start with a $2,500 account. Alright, just to backtest some strategies. This was a while ago. And I kid you not, guys, $2,500 account with the current trade setups that I'm doing right now, for example, you'd be up around, give or take, 8,000, I say if you're using 33 times leverage, you'd be up around $600 to $1,000. I kid you not, guys. Alright, that's just with 3 signals I've given you on a $2,500 account. Can you believe it? So for that reason, I'm just diversifying into Forex. If you want to join, by all means, go ahead. We'll see how the market plays out these next coming days and weeks. If If I have any further updates, I'll keep you guys posted. Again, a huge apologies for not having Wi-Fi. This is something that I can't, like, I don't even know where this is probably from the cars near me. Oh, I have 2 bars. Let me see. Sometimes it says I have 2 bars. Look, I'll even connect right now to my hotspot, and it won't connect. Alright, so Swalt Academy, connect. Let's get you some Wi-Fi out here. Okay, it says connected. We're gonna go to the Discord, and it's not even gonna load up a Discord. Alright, that's how slow it is. It's not even gonna load it up. Like, I can sit here all day. Look, I can sit here all day and it's not gonna load up nothing. Google, for example. Look, nothing. And it says I'm freaking connected, and that's what pisses me off. Alright, I have 2 bars, still makes no sense. So that's something I gotta figure out. So without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some kind of insight of what's happening in the market. Alright, so without further ado, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.